guys, so I am in our house and you're gonna hear banging because my husband is working on some tile, but I thought I would just go ahead and kind of walk through and look at the house before everything starts changing, because we have tile going in like 2 days and a bunch of other things happening. So as you can see, I have lime green walls right now, but that's gonna change too. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a tour and we'll look at the house before everything gets done. Okay friends, so this is our master bedroom. Like I said, the walls are lime green. I'm starting in the back of the house just because my husband is taking out tile in the front. So it's super noisy. I'm sure you can probably hear it right now, but hey, he's doing what's gotta be done. So this is our master. We do have a master bath over here, which this is so gross, you guys, but like, I don't know why people ever put carpet in bathrooms. And I know people always say that, but it's literally so nasty. So we're gonna have this tiled in a couple of days, along with a couple other areas as well. But this is our bathroom, and we also have a cleaning gal coming in a couple, actually tomorrow. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed, because it's a little bit grimy in here, but this is like the reality of buying a brand new, or a new house to you. So this is, yeah, the bathroom, and I'm super excited because I do have this amazing tub, which is gonna be so great. This was one of the things that I absolutely wanted, was a nice tub to be able to soak in. So that's the bathroom. And then we also have a nice size master closet, which will be really awesome. My hubby calls this my closet already, of course. So pretty basic. We're definitely gonna dress this up at some point, like down the road, but obviously not like an emergency unless things start falling off the wall, which they might, so you never know. All right. And then our hallway out here, we have our 2 other bedrooms. So this is what we call the Smurf room. It is a bright blue. As you can see, every single wall in here is painted bright blue. So we're gonna absolutely be painting every room in the house basically, but this is just basically gonna be, we haven't decided if this will be the nursery for baby right now or if our other bedroom will be the nursery, but either way, one will be the nursery and one will be like an office guest room. So pretty good size for bedrooms. Definitely happy with that. We did already buy light switches, which that's a good tip that my dad and also our broker gave us, is to replace all of your switches and outlets because it changes the look of the house. They're usually like old and dingy, so it's nice to update those. And then we have our second bathroom over here. So just really simple, obviously a sink, toilet, and then bath shower combo. We're gonna take out the frame thing here so that it's more open and just do like a shower curtain there, because I hate these things. Like, how do you bathe a child in there? I don't even know. So gross. And then the walls in here are like purple gray, so we're painting in here also, just taking it white and making it light and bright and airy. And then we do have a little baby coat closet here. It's really little. We're probably gonna put some cabinets in the garage for coats and like winter storage and stuff like that. And then the final bedroom, which has this giant mirror in it right now, that will be coming out soon too. But it also has this great window that like overlooks the front of our house. And I was actually thinking today of doing like a window seat in here, which would be so nice to just like be in here and sit and like read to our little ones or just like relax, and I think it'd be really nice. But anyway, this may be the nursery. We haven't decided because you can definitely fit 2 kids in here. So that was our thought, is to use this bedroom for our kids room and eventually just have, you know, our 2 kiddos, because that's kind of the number that we want, both in here, and then have the other room as a guest room or office, but we'll see. And of course, just a basic, like, simple closet there. And then this is the main living area. So everything, again, is painted yellow, aside from, like, the 2 bedrooms, the green one and the blue one. So this is our main living area. We have a fireplace over here. We're gonna fancy that up at some point down the line. And this is actually, the tile my hubby's taking out is like a big size of this guy. So he's just finishing that. And then this is actually like, could be like a dining area over there, but we're gonna just do like an eat-in area in our kitchen. And we have a nice little pass-through window. And our kitchen is pretty large. We're actually gonna redo the flooring in here also in a couple days, but I'll just give you guys a quick spin around the kitchen. Good, babe, you're good. Hi. Oh. All right, so that is our house in a nutshell. You guys saw hubby, he's actually taking out the tile in the laundry room, so couldn't like show you that, but just has cabinets right now, and then we'll have our washer and dryer in there. Super basic, but it gets the job done. So that is it. That's our little house. I'm so excited and super excited to see everything come together and get painted. We have like paint splashes on the wall. So I'm sure you saw those to see kind of what we thought of the paint color and things like that. So that's everything. That is our little house tour.